Welcome to our life in the Philippines.
Today we are taking a little trip. Janice's parents and some relatives have a little, what do you call it? Family reunion maybe?
Yeah, Christmas.
Christmas family reunion.
Yeah.
And that one takes place down in Lubao.
Yeah.
About 45-50 kilometers away from where we live. It's about an hour, 45-minute hour ride. And we are going to join the party here today.
Yeah.
And just hang out a little bit. I've had a little bit of trouble.
Yeah, he has a gout again.
Gout again, second time in 2 months.
Yeah, the last time is on the right side. Now it's on the left side.
Yeah, well, this time it's on the wrong side. It was on the right side last time. Anyway, yeah. So that's the second attack I got in a couple of months, and I have a little bit of a problem walking. I took some painkillers right now, and we decided to go out and try to do a little vlog.
Yeah.
And walk around a little bit and show you. It's anyway, it's a beautiful area.
Yeah, it's beautiful here. Fresh air.
Fresh air.
Fresh air.
Which you do not get up there in the city.
Yeah, it looks like you live in the province, in the mountain.
Yeah. Yeah, that's another thing, you know. I'm going to see if I can turn the camera here over and show you a little bit about what we have.
Show the nature.
The view for.
Show the nature.
It's right into the sun, but if you look at the end of the field, you see the mountain ranges back there.
Yeah.
And it is beautiful. On the other side of that, you have some balas, and it is gorgeous. A little hot today, but we will get through that too. So
we're just.
So let's walk a little bit and show you, and then we are going to take you and show you a little bit of the party as well. A little different video.
Yeah.
So now it's gorgeous here, you know.
Yeah, it's so windy and fresh air.
You look around here, you have. They just planted, I guess. They must have just planted.
Just planted.
Huge rice fields, and on the other side there, you have some pretty homes actually. Over there. Excuse me.
Nothing?
And and if you go straight down here, you see another mountain, and that's the mountain we always talk about.
Yeah, Arayat.
Mount Arayat.
Mount Arayat.
Wherever you are around here, you can see it. That mountain.
Mount Arayat is always watching you.
It's watching us. Yeah. That mountain there is probably about 60 kilometers away today, and you can still see it. It's pretty. So the new planted rice fields here.
Yeah. I saw some of the in this area they plant corn.
Yeah. That right down here.
Yeah.
In that area, I think that is corn. Quite a bit of corn.
Yeah.
Cornfield. So. But it's fun to see how they water these rice fields, and they pump water in. There is on the other side here. There is you probably hear it, and that's one of the pumps. Yeah. You can see it down there. You have some kids playing there where the water is coming out, so they're pumping the water out in the fields.
Yeah.
And then they have a drainage that runs right here. Let's take a look at it. Right here.
Yeah,
You
there's a drainage.
with streaming
side.
water right
Yeah.
right in here. So
Yeah, this area.
water is coming down this way, and it's quite a bit of
Yeah.
stream on it.
It's enough to water the rice.
It flows, yeah. Yeah, so it's pretty.
Yeah. And I really like here in Lubao because when you came here, you can start smelling the fresh air from nature, from the
Right.
fields, rice fields.
Yeah, it's
You can
beautiful.
smell the what is it, rice smell or something like that when they planted.
Yeah, that's true. So on the other side there, you see a lot of homes, like I said, right?
Yeah.
So down here, there's a road that takes you over, and it's like a barangay community on the other side there, where you have a lot of locals living, but there is also, I hear,
Foreigners.
a lot of foreigners living
Yeah.
here. Some people from Norway and a few other places.
Yeah, from Australia. There's
And
some.
yeah.
I don't know if there's a Swedish.
Yeah, no, I don't think there's a Swedish. I haven't heard that, but right here, down here, you have the cornfield.
Yeah. I
So-
noticed the cornfield is dry. On the rice field
Yeah,
is
yeah, that,
wet.
yeah. They're not pumping as much water in here.
The
But
soil is so dry.
soil is dry there. All right, so let's see. All right, so let's walk back here. But look at the view here. Now, unfortunately, this camera doesn't pick up too good.
Yeah,
But-
we can't focus.
Can't focus in or zoom in on
Zoom
it.
in. I mean,
But
zoom in.
down here, all the way
Beautiful mountain also.
down here, you see a different part of the mountains.
Yeah.
Actually, if you go down this road, you can see the range all over here, and it's it is beautiful actually. Yep, I love it. There's a nice little house too.
Yeah, I like the style.
Yeah,
There's a lot of flowers.
well kept little property.
Yeah, it's gated.
Yep, beautiful. All right, so let's take you into the party now, and then we go from there.
If you hear the karaoke sound, that's that's
Yeah, that's one thing, you know. People here, they just love the karaoke.
we love singing. Even our voice is not good, we love singing loud.
Yeah. Yep. That's for sure.
Yeah, it's,
120 dB.
it's part
120
of-
decibel.
I don't know. It's
Part of life here.
yeah, part of life here in the Philippines.
And you know, I'm amazed.
Yeah.
People don't have sometimes, you know, they have a fairly poor life, but you see a lot of happiness, family tightness.
Yeah.
People are tight together in many different circumstances. You rarely ever hear anybody complain or anything.
Yeah, but
So-
saying life is too short, so you need to enjoy life.
Yep,
Why
that
you
is,
live here in earth or in this world.
yeah. My wife said these are beans, but they look awfully dry here.
Yeah, it's dry.
But yeah, see them right here.
Yeah, it's so dry. They can't grow more.
Yeah, it's too dry.
Some are big, some are
Yeah.
yeah. I think it's season. It's season for mango now.
Yeah, it's starting. We can see that's starting here, right?
Yeah.
They start growing up here in the tree. It'll be a while though. Couple of months.
I saw some big also upstairs.
Yeah, I see that. I see some bigger mangoes up there. Hard to see here though.
Yeah.
All right, let's go into the party.
Isang larawan ko ba ko lamang pala akong oras. Kundi sa lungkot at pagsisi ang dinaranas. Hanggang sa mga sandaling ito, di ako nagbabago. Pagilay ko pa rin ang damdamin sa ating lumang litrato. Ngunit sa'yo, iwan ko, ikaw ay iba na buwan nang tayo'y magkalayo. Kahit naman tayong dalawa, nakangiti at katwang masaya. At ang tunay na pagmamahal, nakalarawan kahit kupas na. Isa'y kong na puso ko, makulay na yung tunang buhay ko. Bumabalik ang ligayang lipas. Salamat sa dalawang bukas. Sandaling ito, di ako nagbabago. Natulay ko pa rin ang damdamin sa ating
All right, that was a little bit from the party, and as you can see, I'm a party pooper. Can't move around like these people can with that gout foot, but I enjoyed the food. We had a lot of food there. Barbecue pork, chicken, fried chicken, barbecue chicken, and several other things. Look at that little roaster. What I'm going to do here before we go, this is in the back of their house, and these are the views they have. Beautiful, beautiful views. They are actually rice farmers as well, even though Janice's uncle actually has a regular job as well. I think he's working in construction, but they do farm the rice here. So I think the property is somewhat an inheritance from his parents, and they are like 3 or 4 sisters and brothers that lives here. They build houses here, and look at that view, and look at the birds. It is really cool to be here and look at it. Wherever you look, you see the mountains. I'm fascinated by mountains and the ranges here in the Philippines. All right, let's go and take a look in the front of the property. All right, this is a view from their front, and look what we got there. Right in the center of the picture is a caribou. He's taking it easy in the sun today. All right, so we are just here in the front, and get away from the music a little bit, and we are going to wrap this up. We need to head back home. and we have about a hour or 45 minutes to 1 hour ride back home. We don't know how the traffic is going to be, but we will try to get out of here so we can get home by 5 p.m. and that way try to avoid the traffic. We have enjoyed the day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you soon again. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.